right, it is November 21st. Going to do an oil sample test on my car. It's the first oil change at 5157 miles. So I got it up here so I can slide underneath. You're going to pull a small sample and send it in for analysis. Just make sure the engine doesn't have a high content of metals and things that shouldn't be there.
Okay, so preparing to take a little sample. I'll get the nut already broken loose, so I'm going to try to do this without spewing oil everywhere. They recommended to do this while the engine's got a bit of engine that's hot, so it's kind of burning my fingers. It does not feel good. A little bit more maybe. How much I got? Yeah, it's smoking hot on my thumb and forefinger. Enough? Maybe a little bit more, I don't know. That's got to be enough. Yeah, that's enough right there. I will also replace the same quantity that's been removed. I'm actually quite impressed I was able to do this without getting oil all over the place. Plug falling out of my fingers and going in the bucket and draining the whole engine out. I want to take this to the dealer tomorrow and have them service it, so it's the initial first time service. That way they don't claim there's warranty issues and whatever else. Just gonna get this oil off my hands, get cleaned up, and put it back together and add the oil. So I'm gonna shut everything off here and get back to you in a second. Okay, now I'm gonna check the oil level, make sure I don't run this thing low. Took a small amount out and nothing really spilled or poured out above a small little bit. Let's see here. So you can see got plenty of high level there. Safe zone being right where my thumb is. It's a little hard to see. It's not very bright out. Right there, safe. So let's watch the oil kind of swipe its way back up to the top of that safe level. Yep. So it's the top of the oil, and that's the safe hash mark right there. So plenty of oil in it, so that's good. 5,000 miles, doesn't seem to be using any. And we'll check and see what the results of the engine oil analysis come back with, and hope all's good. I've heard these things have a bit of an issue with the roller valve train needle bearings going bad, and then you have metal on metal contact with the roller that's not rolling and wipes out the camshaft. So want to make sure that at brand new condition, low miles, well cared for, proper oil, proper maintenance, so that I don't have that kind of issue. I have the extended warranty, and I just want to be certain that I'm identifying problems beforehand, if there are any, and there's no wiggle room to get out of an extended warranty in case this thing doesn't hold up like it should. All right. Okay, so this is the engine oil kit. Protect your investment under my hood, oilanalysis.com. Never used them, gonna give it a try. Got this on Amazon. Was it Amazon? No, I think I ordered direct from these guys. But for 3 samples, I want to say it was, I don't know, it was less than $100 for sure. Maybe 75, I don't know. But for an engine oil analysis, it's pretty cheap. So fill this out, send them the sample, put it in a little baggie, and they will email me the report. It's pretty cool. Never done it before, so we're going to give it a try. I think it's cheap insurance for an expensive car. I spent more on it than I probably should have. It's got the big engine and all the rest, and I enjoy driving it, so I want to make sure that it lasts. And I've identified any problems that may happen to begin occurring. Okay, so I got my analysis report back. It only took, just a few days, basically a week to come back. And good news, it shows that it's normal break-in wear for the time period, for the miles. I'll show you the details of the report here. You can see I'll kind of go through it slow so you can take a look at what the numbers show. 5157 for the miles, 0 chrome. Copper's got a number, I don't know, it looks a little high to me, but I don't know. I'm no expert at this by any means. So I'm kind of leaving it to the viewer just as kind of a benchmark data sample that you could compare against your own vehicle. Now keep in mind, this is the 392 6.4 Hemi in a Challenger. It's brand new. This is the first oil change, and you'd expect it to have some numbers in there as you got the break-in wear going. It'll be interesting to see what happens at the 5,000 mile oil change to get an idea of what these numbers start to level off at. Yeah, just some benchmark data for you to use if you so desire. Let me know if you got any comments. Thanks.